Welcome everyone to this incredible full build journey. In today's video, I will transform an empty stretch of beach into a tropical paradise. Over the course of this project, you will see how I design and construct a refreshing beach pool, a 3-story bamboo resort house, an adventurous flyover water slide, and relaxing bamboo umbrellas. Everything is created with natural materials, simple tools, and a lot of creativity and hard work. The adventure begins with the search for the perfect location. I walk along the coastline, observing the tide, the wind, and the sunlight, before choosing a soft and flat area high enough above sea level. The ground is cleared and leveled, and with bamboo sticks carefully mark the layout of where the pool, house, and the water slide will be built. Planning is the foundation for harmony, ensuring every structure fits together like a small seaside resort. The first major task is digging the beach pool. Using bamboo tools and baskets, I dig deeply into the sand, shaping a pool with both shallow and deep sections. Clay is gathered, carried, and layered to seal the walls so water will not escape. After smoothing the surface, I allow fresh water to fill the pool, reflecting the sky and creating a cool, inviting centerpiece for the project. Once the pool is complete, I begin work on the bamboo house. Strong bamboo poles are cut and driven deep into the sand, forming the foundation. Beams are tied securely with vines and ropes, proving how natural materials can hold strong under pressure. The first floor takes shape as an open lounge. The second floor becomes an enclosed space for resting, and the third floor is built as a viewing deck with a wide roof of palm leaves that protect against both sun and rain. Step by step, the 3-story bamboo resort house rises proudly against the ocean backdrop. Next comes the most exciting feature, the flyover water slide. From the second floor of the house, I build a long bamboo frame curving toward the pool. Clay and sand are layered to create a smooth sliding surface. Water is poured along the slide to test speed and flow. After several adjustments, the slide works perfectly, ending in a thrilling splash into the beach pool. The resort is no longer just a place of rest, but also a place for adventure and fun. To create comfort and shade, I build bamboo umbrellas. Bamboo poles are arranged as a frame and layered with palm leaves to provide protection from the tropical sun. Beneath the umbrellas I place bamboo benches and small tables, a perfect resting spot after swimming or sliding, where one can enjoy the cool sea breeze. The beauty of our resort lies not only in its structures, but also in its atmosphere. Stones and seashells are arranged along the pool's edge, creating a natural border that sparkles in the sunlight. Coconut trees and shrubs are planted nearby, bringing more shade and greenery. At night, handmade bamboo torches and lanterns give off a warm glow, transforming the beach into a magical paradise. After weeks of effort, the transformation is complete. Before us stands a 3-story bamboo resort house with breathtaking ocean views. Beside it lies a refreshing beach pool, complete with an adventurous fly-over water slide around the area. Bamboo umbrellas, stone pathways, and tropical plants make the place both inviting and beautiful. This project proves how much can be achieved with imagination, determination, and natural materials. From an empty beach to a full resort, Everything has been shaped by hand, guided by patience and passion. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more incredible natural construction builds.